We're playing around with some DEKS repair clay today. We've got a few different products: copper, metal, aluminium, wood, some form of it's an epoxy 2-part putty. I'm playing around with the aluminium. We're going to patch up this roof sheet. Very excited to see how it goes on steel and copper though, because it's rated to up to 16 bar, which is 1600 kPa, 60 minutes to sort of harden, 24 hours to fully cure. I'll be very interested to see whether it goes well on copper, because I'll be putting it to the test very shortly. But we'll start with some aluminium. Well, your 2-part is actually mixed together in one. So all you do is break off a little piece, like that. You've got your base and your hardener together. You start mixing. You can mix it dry too, so no more white hand and black hand. Want to get it so the colour goes uniform. We're getting there. Starting to get a good mix, just about there. You can actually feel it bonding already, getting a lot stickier. And you got your nice grey. Yeah. Do our lower, and then like any, just work it in. Got to prep your surface first, but we've already done that because I'm always prepared. One. Make sure it's got good adhesion. In 10 minutes, that'll have gone hard, 24 hours, fully cured, and can be sanded and painted. And then we'll put it to the leak test. Easy.